Alright, those who don't know yet, with all the ice jams and everything, all the barges and boats have just broke free on the river. The Captain JP is free floating and crashing here along the riverfront. It's just smacked into the bridge down here. We have multiple barges that can't get over. Right now, multiple bridges are being shut down throughout the city for safety reasons here. The rusty anchor has snapped free and is missing. Police units are now trying to keep up and chase everything. That barge is about to hit the bridge. It's gonna hit it. Here we go. We have contact. We have damage to the Congress Street Bridge. We have cars still coming at us here. We have a lot of smoke up on that deck up there now. I'm trying to keep up with this. We have another tugboat out there. As you can see here, they can't get rowed over to this. This is my first time ever trying to narrate this stuff for you. This is so hard to keep up with. This has been going on for 3 hours.